Quail Hollow Ranch, just off Quail Hollow Road in Ben Lomond. This is one of the sites we use to sample live fuel moisture, the metric of how much moisture is in the plants. We test 3 different species of shrubs: coyote brush in San Mateo County, manzanita, and chamise here in Santa Cruz County. We'll collect about 40 grams of plant material. We'll weigh it. We dry those samples in an oven for 24 hours. Then we weigh them again. We can calculate how much water content was in the sample. And then we compare that to the weight of the dry sample, and you get a percentage of the weight that was water. We use live field moistures to assess the wildfire risk, which then informs staffing levels in the unit. We've had 2 wet winters. The temperatures this summer in this unit, more towards the coast, have been pretty below average. A lot of the state, like the North State, near where the park fire's been burning for the last month, saw record high temperatures for pretty much the entirety of July. And we're fortunate here to be closer to the coast, and we get the influence from the fog. That's been really keeping temperatures lower, humidities are higher, and therefore the vegetation doesn't dry out to the extent as we've been seeing in other parts of the state further away from the coast. So the fuel moistures here in the unit are above normal for this time of year, but with an ignition source and the right weather conditions, the conditions are still there for us to have fires and see spread. We'll still have hot, dry days, and with those higher winds, the fuels will dry out more rapidly. Fires will spread more quickly when there's an ignition. All the vegetation you see around us would still be receptive to fire. Don't get complacent. Summer's not over yet. It's important that even though we're saying the fuel moistures are higher and the risk is a little lower than normal, you still need to be prepared.